Children, I welcome all of you in today's EVS session. In today's session, we are going to start with a new chapter, that is, lesson number 7, Our Village, Our City. The name of this chapter is Our Village, Our City. So, children, this is the picture of village. You can see there are huts or small houses. There is transport system of bullock carts. Here you can see a small hospital, that is primary health center. Then this is a picture of city. You can see instead of small houses, here are big buildings. There is park. In this way, you can see the transport system is used vehicles, different vehicles, 4-wheelers, 2-wheelers. This is the difference between rural and city areas. So children, grains, vegetable, milk, etc. come from villages. Bicycles, toys, books, etc. come from the city. Farming implements, cloth, medicines, automobiles, soap, glass, light, bulbs, etc. are made in factories. Factories are mostly situated near the city. People living both in villages and city use all these things. Thus, rural and urban people are dependent on each other for their needs. Means of transport and communication are necessary to fulfill the needs of people. Earlier, there was a big difference between the city and the village. Now, this difference is reducing. The facility available in cities are now becoming available in villages as well. Means of transport. As man's needs increased, he invented new means of transport. Earlier, goods were transported by animals like bullocks, elephants, camels, horses, and donkeys. Next, vehicles such as bullock carts and horse carts were used. Then, ships, automobiles, and trains were invented, followed by aeroplane. Thus, transport became faster. Now here in column 1 shows various means of transport. Column 2 shows what they travel on. Now after looking these pictures, can you connect the correct pairs? Like train is connected to railway track. Then aeroplane to clouds. Buses to road. Boats to waterways. Bullock carts to these muddy roads. Trucks also on highways. Now, transport facilities are available in most villages and cities. Now, here's a map of Pune district. In given index, you can see district headquarters, taluka headquarters, famous other places, district boundaries, taluka boundary, railways, national highway, other roads, airport, fort, ghat, peak, caves. So this map is Pune district major road, rails and famous places map. You can overlook this map in your book also on page number 42. Now we are going to see dialects. Man uses languages to talk to each other and to communicate his thoughts to other people. The same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of the words change with the region. Words from other languages enter our language. It is influenced by other languages. In this way, different dialects of the same language form in different regions. For example, Ahirani, Malwani and Waradi are some dialects of Marathi language. Marathi is state language of Maharashtra. Children, do you know in the olden days means of sending messages were not very advanced. In those days information was communicated by different means. Sometimes trained pigeons were used for this purpose. A message was sent by writing it down on a piece of paper or cloth and tying the piece to the bird's leg. Services like mobile phones, telephones, and computers are not available in the area where Rohan and Rupali live. They need to send a message to the relatives in another town. How will you help them to send the message? So, children, you can think over it and find the solution. And always remember, recently there has been great development in the means of transport and communication. However, increased use of these means has also led to an increase in pollution. Therefore, everyone should use them carefully. So, children, in this chapter we have learned the interrelationship between cities and villages, means of transport and communication, the need for means of transport and communication, transport facilities and famous places in our district and taluka. So, children, read your chapter number 7 from textbook and solve your workbook from page number 45 to 51 in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Bye.